Hey guys, if your screen in Hey guys, in today's video I will share with you if your screen is randomly going black on your Windows 11 computer, then keep watching as in this video I'm going to share with you all the troubleshooting steps you need to fix this issue. So before we start, I'd like to recommend for you to check your cables and to make sure they are securely plugged into the back of your monitor. And you could even try using a completely new cable to rule out a faulty cable. And if you are sure you don't have a cable problem, then the first thing you can do is come to our start menu and search for CMD command prompt and click on run as administrator. So type here SFC space scan now and hit enter. This will start scanning and it will take few time. While doing this, just close it and then head over to window and on the search menu click on screensaver. Change screensaver. Make sure to select none. No need to select any other. If black is selected, click on none and then click on apply. So after that, hit over to control panel. Click on it and make sure to set the icons as large icons and then go to power options. Here, as you can see, if you see the high performance, just click on that as I have the balanced option and it's best for me. Make sure to select as never. All the things are as never. So just doing this and also click on change advanced power setting and make sure to click on PCI Express and then again on link state power management and then select these as off. Both of these should be off and click on hit apply and then OK. And then hit over to go to the Windows and search for settings. Click on display, click on advanced display and make sure to set, if you have the other option, high option, just make sure to click on it. And after that, click on Windows Update and check for updates, and if there is any updates present, it will update the window. So this is how you can update everything. Hopefully this will resolve your issue. If this helped you, please like and subscribe for more videos.